Okay, so here we are with the smart IoT system for S2 ICT. You can see to my left we have a laptop computer with Blynk.cloud, and it's connected to this, and this is all connected to the Blynk IoT system. Now, just quickly talk about this one. I was going to originally use this breadboard power supply module with this battery to power up the whole thing. It works with the lights, but unfortunately it's having problems powering up this fan. So what we'll do is we'll get rid of this one, and what we'll do is we will connect the fan to one USB port. So this is a power bank. We connect one USB wire to this port, and then we connect the other wire straight to the NodeMCU microcontroller. So we power two things with one power bank, and our power bank is right there. So you need to have a power bank with two USB ports, and you also need two micro USB wires. Okay, now let's have a look at this. So right now it says 24.6 degrees. If I get my mouse, I'm going to turn the lights on, so I can do it like this. Whichever light I turn on, it will obviously turn on the respective light. Now, as far as this is programmed, the way by which this is programmed, if that reaches 25 degrees, the fan will turn on and cool down the entire house. Now, I've got some boiling water here. We have a DHT11 sensor, and this will monitor the temperature. So now, don't put it into the boiling water, just put it on the top. Now, if we just wait for that. Okay, it's just reached 25 degrees. Now it's 25.1. The fan will turn on and effectively cool down the house. Now, if you put the DHT11 sensor on top of the fan, hopefully that will cool down. So it's almost below 25, and once it gets below 25, yep, okay, so it's now 24.9, the fan will stop. Okay, and when it gets to 25 and above, it will turn on again, and the cycle goes on and on. So there we go, guys. That is the smart IoT lighting system. 4 lights and 1 fan. Thank you and goodbye.